How's it going, everybody? So we're heading to the Philippines now for our 1-week vacation. We're leaving here at 10 p.m., arriving in Manila at 1 a.m. in the morning, and then flying from there to Cebu, and we're gonna arrive hopefully at 6 a.m. So we'll see you there. Hopefully it's not too tired, but stick around. Alright everyone, so we're now at the White Sands Hotel in Mactan, Cebu. And so we got here at 8 o'clock.
Earlier than that.
Yeah, earlier than that actually. Really
Our flight landed at like 6:30?
Yeah. So then we took the cab here around 7:30 we were here, and we couldn't check in till like 3.
Yeah. So we literally like didn't sleep last night. We slept for probably a grand total of maybe 3 hours.
If we're being generous.
Yeah. So we were pretty much just like little homeless people with our stuff, lay down on 2 of the lawn chairs and tried to sleep there. Fell asleep for a little bit, but
it's hard because the sun was rising and people were starting to wake up.
yeah.
But either way, this is the hotel room.
It's very nice.
This little treat that they left for us. And then we get the view. This is one of the pools out of, there's another pool over there as well as a beach down at that end. So it's a nice hotel so far. We've explored a little bit, but still lots to look at.
Good morning from the Philippines. So it's our first full day at the resort, which is nice. So we're gonna just hang by the pool. We had breakfast this morning.
We almost missed it.
Yeah, we almost missed our breakfast. We actually slept really, really well. Probably because we didn't sleep at all Friday night. We got maybe 3 hours total. So good thing we woke up by ourselves. But yeah, then the rest of the day we're just gonna head by the pool. Not head by the pool, chill by the pool. And catch
I'm gonna
some
get
sun.
some lovely tan lines with this thing.
Yeah.
It's gonna look beautiful. Excited about that.
Yeah. Should be a good day. We will check in with you guys later and see what else we get up to.
So I'm trying to cover all the parts that I usually burn. Lips covered, nose covered, ears covered, middle finger covered. All good. No burning here tonight. No burning here tonight. No burning here tonight.
What's that from? No eating here tonight.
No eating.
Is that Nemo?
On a diet.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's cool that they got like a little rock jumping place there. I'm not allowed to jump. 12 feet deep? There's nothing I've wanted to do more here than coming to Asia than cliff jumping. I have not had the opportunity yet. This is not helping.
We are at the Plantation Bay Resort. Came here for lunch. So good. Like literally so good.
It's very expensive by the looks of it.
Yeah. But the food is actually like decently priced. Same as any other resort. Same as our resort. And it was so good. They had a vegan option. So I got that. Keegan got chicken salad. I already ate mine and it was really good. Yeah. Gonna chill here probably for a little bit. They gave us because the restaurant's pretty busy, so they gave us complimentary drinks, which is nice.
Happy about it.
Yeah. So we are now in Cebu City. We just switched hotels. We're now at Best Western.
A little taste of home.
Yeah. It was like the one thing that was familiar when we were looking for a hotel. But it's nice, and like it's always comforting to stay in a hotel that you know the name of. You're like, it's a reliable company.
Yeah. Oh hey, didn't see you there.
We're at the pool now. It's nice. It's real hot up here, but it's nice. The pool is a little bit chilly, but it's doable. Keegan right now. It just that's how he enjoys the pool now. And it's elevated though. So it's all good. It is our second day in Cebu City. Breakfast this morning was so good. Like the best breakfast that we've had, maybe at any resort even, since we've been in Asia. They even had a little candy bar, which was interesting for breakfast. But it was really good. And so now our plan for today is just to hang out at the pool. It's actually pretty overcast, so hopefully that clears up because I want to work on my tan. So we're gonna just hang out by the pool, and then later we're going to go to the mall. There's a nice mall here supposedly, so I'm gonna check it out. This is the view. You can see like mountainous area. It's pretty. But yeah, chill here for a bit. I found a vegan place for lunch, which I haven't told Keegan that it's vegan. I just told him they have smoothie bowls, but it's a vegan place, so he'll be real pumped about that. So hopefully that's good. And then mall and dinner, and then no, just relax.
Hi everyone, we are at Lunhao for lunch. I don't know how I pronounced it, but I don't think it was right. Anyway, it's an all-vegan restaurant. They have some really good things on the menu so far. It's a really cute spot.
So, first you were complaining about having to come here, but this is what Keegan got. It's like buffalo chicken, but cauliflower.
I swear
Rice.
it's broccoli. It says broccoli.
I know, but before she was saying just cauliflower.
We're videotaping right now. This is cool. I don't know what kind of sugar this is.
We asked, but I'm not sure. Something with an M.
Okay. And then corn coffee. Did you say that all right?
No.
Corn coffee. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's all right.
But he actually really likes the buffalo chicken.
I can't eat. I need to cut it, but I can't.
Sad times.
We're here in Manila now. Our flight left from Cebu at 2 o'clock.
It was late.
Yeah, it was pretty late. But then we got in here now. We just walked around, just relaxing because we have like a 4 or 5 hour layover. Then we're gonna hopefully be back in Ho Chi Minh by 9:30. Overall, we enjoyed our trip. We did a lot of relaxing.
Yeah.
Didn't really stress out at all much. We didn't really get to see a lot of the cool things that Philippines have to offer because, first of all, this thing didn't really help us at all.
No, you can't do anything to risk moving the pins
Yeah.
or getting it wet.
Yeah.
Oh well.
But at the end of the day, it's the vacation and we got to relax, so that's all that matters. If we did do it again, I wish we could have done like some of the underwater stuff, did some scuba diving, because there's a lot of cool like big schools of plankton that you can, not plankton, sardines that you can see here. Like there's the whale sharks, there's a lot of beautiful beaches, a lot of cool mountains, like chocolate mountains. So there is a lot that you can do in the Philippines, but we just didn't get the opportunity to do all of what we wanted to do. Oh well, next time for sure. Thank you for following along, and we'll see you next time on Q Squared.